So what you can also do is you can go around and then, let's say for example, copy out a content and then give the content over here onto Gemini and then ask it to write questions on the basis of it. So let's say for example, for based on this content, I'm going to go around and say create 10 questions right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that and press enter right here, just like this, then what happens is that it simply goes around and then makes out questions on the basis of it, as you can see right here. So I'm simply going to go around and say, now make MCQ questions out of it right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that it simply makes out MCQ questions out of it, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and make questions based on the content that you give to Gemini. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.